Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I'll be showing you how to make the perfect caramel sauce. Okay guys, so firstly what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add some sugar to your pot. Okay guys, and then to that sugar what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add some water. What you're going to do guys, you're just going to allow this sugar to caramelize. Okay guys, and guys, if you happen to see some sugar on the edge of your pan, what you want to do, you just want to take some water and brush the sides. Okay guys, what this will do, it will allow the sugar to go down in the pan. Okay guys, and the sugar will take approximately 10 minutes or more before start changing. Okay guys, so please be patient and don't go anywhere. This sugar is very dangerous guys, you have to stay here and watch it. Okay guys, and you want to make sure that your fire is on medium heat. Okay guys, you don't want to burn your sugar, that is very important. So after your sugar has reached your desired color, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and turn off the fire. Okay guys, and we're going to go ahead and add some butter. You want to make sure that the butter is at room temperature. Okay guys, and we're just going to go ahead and mix this. Okay guys, amazing. And now that our butter has been melted guys, I'm just going to go in with our cream. Okay guys, and to that I'm going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract and some salt. Okay guys, okay, amazing. Here we go guys, our caramel is ready. Okay guys, this one is pretty easy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and please catch me in another one pretty soon. Here we go guys, see how beautiful it is. Goodbye guys.